Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. These fats help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Lowering LDL cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease. Healthy fats in avocados support optimal brain function. Avocado consumption improves blood flow to the brain. Enhanced blood flow promotes cognitive functions such as memory and concentration. Avocados contain dietary fiber, which contributes to feelings of fullness. Dietary fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. The regulation of blood sugar and increased satiety can aid in weight management and prevent overeating. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage. Anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant found in blueberries, play a key role in combating oxidative stress. Antioxidants reduce cellular damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall cell health. Antioxidants in blueberries support the immune system. These antioxidants enhance the activity of immune cells. Enhanced immune cell activity helps the body fight off infections and illnesses. Blueberries possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate inflammation throughout the body. Chronic diseases, such as arthritis and heart disease, are often linked to persistent inflammation. The consumption of blueberries can contribute to reducing the risk and severity of inflammation-related chronic diseases. Greek yogurt is a high-protein food source that aids in muscle growth and repair. Protein provides essential amino acids necessary for building and maintaining muscle mass. Amino acids from protein are the fundamental building blocks for muscle tissue. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, fostering an environment conducive to optimal digestive health. These probiotics aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, enhancing the body's ability to process food effectively. Probiotics in Greek yogurt contribute to a balanced gut bacteria environment. A balanced gut microbiome strengthens the body's immune system. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and well-being. Regular avocado consumption supports cardiovascular health. Avocados contribute to improved cholesterol levels. Avocados help reduce inflammation, benefiting heart health. Regular consumption of blueberries enhances cognitive function. Blueberries' high antioxidant content is the key to improved cognitive function. Improved memory is a notable benefit of blueberry consumption. Post-workout consumption of Greek yogurt supports muscle recovery. Greek yogurt provides essential proteins that aid in muscle repair. Amino acids in Greek yogurt are crucial for rebuilding muscle tissue after exercise. Avocados contribute to heart health by favorably impacting cholesterol levels. Regular avocado consumption is associated with a reduction in LDL cholesterol. Avocados also help increase HDL cholesterol, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health. Blueberries exhibit high antioxidant activity, which is visually represented on the graph. The graph demonstrates the effectiveness of blueberries in reducing oxidative stress. Antioxidant activity is quantified and compared across different time intervals on the graph. Greek yogurt contains high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is the process by which the body repairs and builds muscle tissue. Consuming Greek yogurt after exercise supports muscle recovery and growth through enhanced protein synthesis. Greek yogurt contains probiotics that contribute to a balanced and healthy gut flora. Probiotics in Greek yogurt help maintain the equilibrium of beneficial and harmful bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut flora supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function.